Good day everybody, I'm gonna show you how physics is in everything, even in your breakfast, through this video. In the early morning, you probably never wondered, mainly because it's 7 a.m., but everything you're eating is a series of physics equations and chemical reactions. As an easy example, you might eat bread with butter for breakfast. Think about it this way. You first cut your bread, it involves the force you put in the knife, calculated by the weight of your arm unlifted, times the weight of the knife, times the gravity influencing the whole scene. As you use your force with the knife on the bread, you create a huge pressure on the area the knife covers of the bread, separating it into two pieces. If the bread is harder, you might as well move the knife forward and backward, involving friction as well. Second, you might want to put butter on your bread. You must apply your force on the butter container so it doesn't move as you use the knife. Then, when you use your knife, you put force into your hand so the knife enters in contact with the butter, and pressure is applied on the area the knife goes through, slowed by the resistance of the butter. Do not forget that the room temperature is a variable of the resistance of the butter. The same kind of thinking happens when you spread the butter on your bread. Then, many of us will also drink coffee for breakfast. When you put coffee in your cup, the mass of coffee will fall from its container, which has a strict shape influencing the way the liquid will fall. The falling of the liquid will mainly be a result of the weight of the liquid, mass per volume, multiplied with the gravity factor, to then fall in your cup. Remember that moving your arm while pouring the coffee will change everything. You can now imagine how everything else you are doing during breakfast in a physics way of thinking. The funny part is that all of this is only GCSE level equations used in horrible ways.